In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run a Shopify store in just 5 minutes. Let's dive straight in and get you started on your e-commerce journey. To get going, the first thing you need to do is sign in to Shopify. If you already have an account, this should be as simple as entering your email and password. For those of you who are new to Shopify, you'll want to create an account by providing some basic information. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Shopify dashboard, the nerve center of your online store. From here, you'll manage everything from sales to store design. Next, we move on to choosing a theme for your store. Shopify offers a variety of themes to fit different styles and businesses. You can find these themes in the Shopify theme store. Take your time to browse and find one that resonates with your brand's identity. Remember, your theme sets the tone for your store's visual appeal, so pick something that speaks to you and will appeal to your customers. Once you've chosen a theme, you can easily install it and move to customization. Now we're at the exciting part, customizing your store. Head over to the online store section on your dashboard and click Customize. Here, you can alter the look and feel of your site. Play around with colors, typography, and layout to match your brand's essence. This personal touch not only helps in standing out, but also gives customers a glimpse of who you are. Drag and drop features make customization intuitive, so have fun with it. After your store looks just the way you want, it's time to add products. Navigate to the Products section and click on Add a Product. Fill out all necessary details: product name, description, price, and upload high-quality images. Be sure to manage your inventory by keeping track of stock levels and setting alerts for low inventory. This helps you provide better service by avoiding overselling or stockouts. Next, you'll want to set up your payment gateways. Go to the Settings and select Payments. Shopify supports a variety of payment methods, including credit cards and PayPal. Choose the options that best fit your business needs and customer preferences. Setting up reliable payment solutions is crucial as it ensures smooth transactions, enhancing customer trust and satisfaction. Finally, it's time to promote your store. With your store set up, start thinking about marketing strategies. Utilize social media platforms, email marketing, and SEO to drive traffic to your site. Shopify also has built-in tools and apps that can help with promotions, so make sure to explore those options to expand your reach. And there you have it. You've set up your very own Shopify store. Remember, running a successful online business is an ongoing journey. Keep experimenting and adapting as you learn what works best for you and your customers. Happy selling, and see you in the next video.